5:30 all the way 5:30 Central Time all the way up to 3:50 or 3:10 Central Time, which in my terms it is 6:30 Eastern Time and 4:10 Eastern Time. So basically, full trading session is allowed. I was adjusting my parameters yesterday. Adjusting my parameters yesterday. Changed the 55 Keltner channel to a 200 Keltner channel. Makes it much more clear than a 55 Keltner channel on which signals to take. Only up signals if it's an uptrend, basically, and only down signals if it's a downtrend. But it makes it more clear with the 200 than the 55. So it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. We are trading at 28.22 right now. A little bit of a rally. Last night was kind of flat. You can see here, kind of traded flat there. A little bit of rally yield day, end of day yesterday. Testing the lows this morning. Seems to have gotten stopped, or not us, but seemed to stop pushing lower right around 28.10.75. We have the market trading relatively flat right now, but we are just going to wait for a signal. It has to move up quite a bit for us to take a long signal here. Even if we get a price breakout right here at this 28.26 area, we still got to reach 28.37 for our system to consider an uptrend. So it might trade flat for a while. Who knows? Getting a little bit of a consolidation period. We're getting kind of close to breaking out, getting a price breakout on this 55 period high here. You can see the highs move down here, so we have a new lower high here for the 55 period. Let's see if we can push up here. It's pushing up the highs a little bit. It's got to break past 28.37 for us to take a long signal here. Has to be a price breakout and above the Keltner channel, the 200 period Keltner channel. Looks like we're still deciding whether we want to push up. The market is trading relatively close to 28.23 right now, right around that area. Just kind of watching it, botching it. Hey. Not quite placing a trade yet. We're just being patient right now. Could continue down here. Starting to sell off a little bit. Not too crazy. Nothing crazy going on quite yet. Go in. Okay, we're breaking out on the lower side of the Keltner channel here. Still have a little bit to go before we get a new price breakout on the downside. It's got to break below 28.10.75 here. You could see volatility is at 3.0 right now. Gonna have to change that in my stops here. 3.0, that means we will be risking $150 for a loss here per contract. Looking to scale in at 1.5. Okay, looks like we might get a breakout low here pretty soon. 1075 is the area to keep an eye on. It's recovering a little bit. We're hovering right around the 14s right now. Getting a little bit of a sell-off. Those highs are moving up a little bit. Gonna still wait for the 1075 breakout here. Still waiting for the 1075 breakout. Not going to take that signal. Okay. We're going to get in short order there. Filled. 3 handles. 10. Where's our entry? Moving into the ATR stop loss here. If we get stopped out, that's fine. We can take another loss here. We can take 2 losses today. We gotta see how far this pushes down. If we push down to 950, 850. If we push down to 850, I'll add one to 850. Otherwise, we're gonna get stopped out here. I'm gonna trust the system here. Looks like we are gonna get stopped out. It's getting really close to our stop loss here. Yep.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're gonna get stopped out there. Not that big of a deal. If we get another signal here, looking to get short. Do 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 do. We're going to get false signals, so it's not that big of a deal that we took that loss. Let's see, what am I allowed to trade at? Board. Taking a loss there, a little bit disappointing. Not that big of a deal. That probably means we bottomed out though, since it did not want to push lower there. That was a $225 loss. Wow. We'll take one more trade, then we'll call it for a day. If we get another loser, we're gonna have to just wait till next week to trade. Volatility is a little bit high. We're at 312 right now. Getting a little bit of slippage there. Getting a little bit of slippage on that entry there. Just waiting around. It's alright that we took that loss. We're just following the system. Just following the system. It's good that we follow the system, even if it's a loss. If it's a loss and we follow the system, it's still a good trade. Still a good trade. Cannot get upset about following the system. As long as we follow it. As long as we follow it, even if we take a loss, it's not a big deal. Alright, we're pushing up here, getting a new high there for a tick there. Gonna wait for this to break out of the upward Kelter channel band. Getting a little bit of a push here. 26, 27 now. Looking for it to push up to 35 before we get in here. It's hovering, trading right around 28 right now. Looking for it to break out above 35 here. Dropping down to 27. This could be a long here. Getting a little bit of a pullback down to that 24 area. Let's see if we continue this rally up to 35 for a trend change. Let's see if we continue this rally up to that 35 for a trend change. We got to break out above 35 here. Willing to get long here above 35. Still trading right around 27, 26. I mean, we could just call it there for a day. That was pretty decent sized loss there, $225. Pretty decent sized loss. Might as well just call it for a day, I think. We'll keep watching it if it breaks out for the upside. See if we can get a win. If we can get a win, we can keep trading, but looks like it might be more of a range bound day to me. It's got to break past this 35 area for us to consider it. Stops are currently at 3.0 right now. We can only add once we hit 150 in the money. So that would be profits of, what was that? Be $75. Once we see a $75 profit, we're gonna add one. Trading relatively flat right now at 23. I guess we'll take one more signal, but then that's it. We'll take one more signal. We gotta see it break out on the upside here. Gotta see it break above 35 here. Right now we're hovering right around 28. Still waiting on an entry signal. Getting a little bit of a breakout above 30 here. Let's see if we can break past 35 here. We're looking to get long above that 35 area. Above that Keltner channel here. Waiting very patiently for this breakout. Getting a little bit of a sell-off back to that 30 area. See if it can't find support here. See if the markets can find support right around this 30 area. Yep, looking like we are still consolidating. Oh, we're breaking below, trading right around 29 now. For a second there, bouncing back up above that 30 area. Still testing that support area. Still testing 30 as a support. Looking like it might explode above 35 here. Ready to join in at 35. Oh. Getting a sell off back to 28 here. And sell off back to 28. Really close to that 200 EMA here. 200 EMA is at 26. Bouncing here. Trading relatively flat right now. Looking like we're going for a trend change. No more downtrend. We're going to continue this uptrend possibly. Or it could be a range bound day. One or the other. We're either heading for the upper end of the range. Or... Wow, it's very laggy. Very laggy. Were they reaching the upper end of the range, or are we trend changing up to an uptrend? It's one or the other right now. We're still getting a slow grind back to the 200 EMA here. Breaking back below the 200 EMA. Trading at around 26 right now. Right on top of it. See if we can get a bounce. Is it going to continue selling off, or is this going to be a bounce? Seems like it could be a bounce here. I'm leaning more towards a bounce because we're getting that green candle right on the 200 EMA here. See if we can get a push back up. See if we can get a push back up here. Can we close above this EMA? Again. So that green candle did not close above the EMA. Closing just below it. And this red candle looks like it could close below right now. Okay, it's gonna close right there. This green candle is trying to push above it again. There's some momentum going into that one. See how it closes here. Popped above the 200, but we're currently still trading at or below the EMA here. See how this candle closes. Having trouble finding direction here. Close just below the EMA again. It's a bear signal. Probably going to get further sell off here. Yep. Right now we have 4 candles closing below this EMA. After that price breakout to around 33. Alright, we're getting some momentum there. First candle to close above that 200 EMA there. See if we can push up to break above that 35 area that we were talking about before. Just sitting on our hands right now, not taking any trades yet. I'm going to wait patiently for our price to break out above a level that we want it to. All right, we're kind of pushing up now. Pushing up now. Let's see if we can break above that 35 area. Trading right around 30 right now. 20, 30. Looking for a price breakout. So we can get a price breakout at 32.75. And then another one at 35 here. Volatility is kicking down to 2.78. We're going to adjust the stops to our system at 2.75 here. Still taking the add-on at 1.5. If we get in the money $75, we will still take that add-on signal. Pyramiding. This could be our big break here. Could be our big break. Let's see if we can't push above 32.75. Oh, still consolidating right around that 30 area. Might turn into resistance now if we can't break out above this and hold it. Still deciding where it wants to go. Price discovery at 28.30. See if we can push above here. If it's gonna hold above or not, we don't know. Just gotta wait and see if we get another price breakout. On the upside, closing right above it, that 30 area. See how this candle does. Is it gonna push lower or what? Still trading around that 30 area. See if we can get a push now. Getting some momentum there. A little bit of momentum. See if we can get a price break on this 33 level and possibly the 35 level. We are still hovering around the 30 area. See if we can't hold it and push above and get a price breakout here. See if we can get a price breakout really close. Yep, there's a price breakout. Let's see if we can break above 35 here. If we could get 35, we'll get long here. Looking to get long there.
Order filled.
Looking at long there. Looking to add one at $75 profit. Adjusting our stops up to previous candle close. 32.50 is our stop. Let's see what's going on here. It's the last trade for today. If this one's a loser, moving our stops up to 32.75. Come on. If we get stopped out here, I'm going to stop for the day. No point in keep trading. Really would like this to push up above that 50 area here. See if we can push up to 75 profits. See if we can push up here. Looking to add one at 75 profits. We can add one there. We can add one there. Moving our stops up to the second stop loss here. See if we can push up some more. There we go. Oh. See if we can push up higher. Moving our stops up to 34 here. Yeah, stream is delayed a little bit. Moving our stops up to 34.50 here. Average entry price at 36. Looking for this to push above here, or could get stopped out here. Let it play out. I think it's not delayed that long. I might be a couple seconds behind. Come on. Really want to see this push here. I think this is going to be the last trade for today, even if it is a winner. Would like to stop trading. Oh man, looks like we're going to get stopped out here. A little bit unfortunate. It's getting really close to our stop loss. Super dangerously close to our stop loss here. Really would like to see this push above that 38 area, get another price breakout. It's hovering right around our stop loss right now. I'm really on the edge of my seat here. 2 ticks away from getting stopped out here. Come on. Getting super close now. Oh, we're getting the recovery a little bit. Oh my god. Nope. Coming back down. This is really stressful. Trusting the system here. Stop loss is at 34.50. It's alright if we take the loss. Oh man. It's like 1 tick away. 1 tick away from getting stopped out here. Come on, this baby can push. Let's go. We are right around our entry point here. Almost got stopped out there. We're 1 tick away. You could see there. 1 tick away from getting stopped out. Waiting for this to push up or get stopped out here. Getting some momentum in there now. We're coming back down. Probably going to get stopped out this time. Man. So close. Oh, man. Stressful trade right now. Hovering right around our stop loss here. 34.50. Stop loss. We're definitely done for the day after this one. I don't think I can take another trade mentally. 36. Come on. Rally up. One tick away. Once again, 1 tick away.
Stop field.
All right, we're going to get a stop there. Going to stop trading for today. 2 losses. We're taking 2 losses there. Getting a false breakout here. 2 false breakouts. We're going to stop for the day. We'll trade again Monday. Come back again Monday with the dub. Thank you for watching, everyone who has come in to watch, but I'm going to be ending this stream here. Don't want to take any more trades. We're just going to be trading Monday. Have a good one, guys.